SRQ Auto, people you like, cars you can trust.
Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Canyon. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, wheel locks, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, rear step bumper, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, leather trim seats, wireless charging station, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, audio, speed-sensitive volume control. With one of the most powerful standard four-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.